Broad. Oh, I am very tired. I am very tired because I work. I had a full day. I work much today, but I'm going to explain to operating this schematic because you said me I don't have enough of power to explain many things. But now we are going to explain, for example, the dumb position. What happened in the dumb position? But before that thing, I have to show you many things. So we have the schematic without the name. Okay. First of all, this is the control valve. In many you have this valve in many machine, but it's not the problem about the machine. The problem is if you are capable to give the system operation, you are capable to identify the component. Uh, for example, when you see this component here, you have to identify this on the machine. Okay. Oh, before to start, what do you call this component? This is what you call duplication valve. Duplication valve. This is the relay valve of load sensing. This is the solenoid of the dumb position. Okay. When you are the dumb position, you have here the rack back solenoid. This is the spool, the steel spool. This is the leaf spool. This spool is not the same. It's not the same. Here you have different spool. You have how many way? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7-way grip position. 7-way by 3 position. 3 position. Centered by spring. Okay, centered by spring. But here you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you have the same thing, but 7-way, 4 position. Okay, 7-way, 4 position. Okay, 7-way, 4 position. Here you have what you call AOC. This is what you call A or C. That mean what? That mean what? You can tell me. You can tell me, Peter. Okay, this is axle oil cooler. This valve will help to reduce the pressure come to the control valve when you want to supply the motor, the cooler motor. This reduce the pressure. You know, the first reason is to maintain the gap, the pressure 1050 psi. The high pressure is 1000. Okay, this springs is setting to support 1000 with this other line. Okay, because the spring can be set in something like 700 or 600, but this help to maintain 1000 psi in the circuit of the motor. Okay. After that, I'm going to tell you about another thing. If even I'm don't explain now, but I have to tell you about. Okay, this is the balance valve and balance solenoid. Okay, you have to know the all that kind of name. Okay, but in this schema you have a great name, valve through total right control pressure, but you can call him that balance valve. In the future, I'm going to give you a mini explanation about this. Here you have another thing. You have the lockout solenoid. This is the lockout solenoid. Is the solenoid who provide or who help that you send the pilot oil in the circuit. If you do not activate this, it doesn't have any movement, any motion, okay? Any tool motion because you don't have enough of, or you don't have enough of space of pressure or go to push this, okay? This is the real reason. But this oil doesn't go directly to this spool. The oil go inside the solenoid and this solenoid is the right solenoid, for example. And when you have this position, when you have this position, the solenoid supply uh, this the solenoid supply the pressure to the spool through this line. Okay, but about the raise whole law float position is the position that this spool take in the valve. Okay, don't worry about what happened. You have to know that the pressure is proportional to your to the motion of your lever. Okay, if you push if you push away or too far, you don't have the same position if you push to the middle. Okay, this is a great answer. But now you have another thing that is so important in this circuit. You have the pressure compensator. The pressure compensator. It's a great thing. The pressure compensator help you in many cases. Okay, but that in this case that help you to increase the pressure of the pump. Okay, because if you don't have this, what happen? What happen? The oil go like that through this spool or through this valve and go inside. If you don't have this, and go inside like this and come to supply the cylinder, the tail cylinder. Okay, but what is the function of this compensator? First of all, when oil arrive here, the oil go to the board part. First, the oil go like this, and second, the oil go like that. Okay. At this time, the pressure does not start to increase, but it's when the spool inside start to go up, is the time when the spool start to go up, the spool try to close the hole that supply in the cylinder. Is the same moment who the pump cry or start to increase the pressure. Okay, I told you that this is not the kind of lesson where I have to explain one movement to the beginner uh, at the end. Okay, it's not the same thing. Okay, I forgot to tell you about another thing. This, this is the main element in the secret. Okay, this is the main element in the secret. This is what you call the margin valve. This helps to maintain a certain pressure in the secret. Okay, sometimes this margin valve help you to protect the secret with the peak pressure. The peak pressure. You know the high pressure is good, but when you have the peak pressure suddenly, valve help to protect the secret. Okay. In another video, I come and explain everything in the secret. Okay. Now I'm going to talk about another thing. For example, this anti-graves solenoid. What is the function of this solenoid? What is the function? This protect the movement. This help you to control your motion. Okay, you don't have any risk to to lose the control. Okay, you don't have any risk to lose the control. When this valve is activated, all go to the tank through this valve. Okay, and you have another part to come here. Okay, back to the tank like this. Okay, after this, I'm going to talk about the relief skill. Okay, this is sometimes some people call that the makeup valve align. Okay, this is another thing who protect the secret. It pertains to the both direction. Okay, first of all, if you have a lot of pressure, okay, if you have highest pressure or a lot of pressure in this line, in this line, if you have a lot of pressure in this line, when the pressure pass the maximum pass through this valve. Okay, this valve protect the secret to know the pressure no pass the maximum. Okay, this is the first direction. The second direction like that. Okay, look this situation. For example, when you have your cylinder, when you have your cylinder, sometimes the pump is not able to give the necessary flow. Okay, at this time, what happens? When this rod start to descend or to grow, that movement helps create the depression of the secret. Okay, that occur the negative come to hold this and the oil in the tank or in the rotten city go inside the rod. Now about this controller, we have many parts. The inlet part. In the inlet part, you don't have enough of component. You have your relay valve, lot relay valve. You have duplication valve. You have your screen. Your screen is so important to protect the secret. Uh, I told you that this duplication lot sensitive valve help you to increase or to stabilize the pressure in the signal. Okay, For example, here this pressure come to provide oil to many elements. First, this pressure supply help to have enough of pressure in the circuit. In the second time, you have this pressure come to push the side who have the spring, and that augment or increase the power in this side. That's the same thing. You have another compensator valve. Here you have another compensator valve, and here you have another compensator valve. After this, I'm going to give you the part. This the inlet manifold. This the tilt valve. This the lift valve. Here you have the right control part. Here you have the third function. Third function a it's not a particular function. This is what you prepare if you want to add another tool to the machine. You can use it, or you have a default function. If you have another tool that you want to put, okay, you have the match the different machine who have different equipment. If you want to put one equipment, you have to find you have to research how you can connect this. Okay, but before you connect, you have to be sure that the equipment you come to put can use the pressure is provided in this support. Okay, or in this circuit. If you don't control that, if you don't find the specification about your system, is not good. And here you have your your cover manifold. Okay, in another lesson, I'm going to explain every cylinder, every function. I'm going to explain every function because it's not the same operation when you want to raise